Been trying to get this thing for I don't know how long. I don't know if it's close, but
you gotta be kidding.
it's the first time me and Brace tagged him. So, oh, but one's bruised.
Literally, they all went to the house. Yeah, thank you.
Well, you can play it. I can hold it. I just mainly just want to get it.
Hey, look after that.
Get it.
Alright, okay.
Got a one. Got a one. Back in the game, guys. Back in the game. Look at that. This thing is not. This is one of the coolest looking Zippos. I've wanted that thing forever. Alright, so Bray's gonna
Put this for later.
stomp it.
And stack it up a little bit.
Yeah, I think that's going to be about the only way.
Alright, let's do that.
Oh, you hit the wrong one.
Oh, that was good. Crap. I don't do anything.
Oh, so close. Like that thing is going to go. It's literally right. It will fall backwards. I do know that, but I think. When it tops, that's not good. Never good when it goes on top like that. Get it. There we go. Oh, messed up with the house. That's all right. Get it. Oh, it's getting built up. Maybe try from the left side a little bit, a couple times. I don't know. Get down. Get it. Oh, no. I'm so worried this thing's gonna fall when it's not. Oh, okay. Get it down. Oh, that was so close. That was such a good push. I'm gonna put this in here, buddy, so it doesn't stop. Oh, it's getting ready to go. I'm gonna stop it because this whole thing is getting ready to go. The whole section. Unbelievable. Unstinking believable, guys. I can't believe it. Bray got it. That is, I've been wanted that Zippo and an Indian head wheat penny.
Oh my gosh.
That is awesome.
Holy
4 minutes.
shiza.
All right, Bray, hold it up. All right. There we go, guys. All right.